Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube TV on Samsung Smart TV. For that, first of all, you just have to simply sign up for YouTube TV if you haven't already. And in order to sign up for YouTube TV, you just have to come on tv.youtube.com and then you just have to select your basic plan and you can just simply select the payment method and subscribe for it. After that, in your Samsung TV, you just have to select the home button. So this is the home button. So you need to select the home button on your device's remote control and then select the apps option to see a list of recommended apps. In the list of recommended apps, you need to simply find YouTube TV and save the app to your home screen for easy use. Now, to make sure that you can access YouTube TV, update your TV's firmware for the latest updates. You can see that I'm reading the instructions officially from the YouTube TV help section. It simply means that you can certainly download YouTube TV on Samsung TV. You just have to follow these instructions. For any reason, if you are not able to find YouTube TV in the apps list, you just have to simply update the system of yours in Samsung TV and you are done. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.